Are you a trader or want to become one? If yes, then you have to understand few things that most of the people lack. I will be explaining it to you in a very easy and short form. In this video, there will be two main topics. One is about the trading and the other one is about how to do it profitably. I have found something that will make this path of beginner to advanced in a very short period of time. If you're curious about it, then there is a link in the description. Click on that with the original reviews of people who used it. Now on our topic of how to succeed in trading. Trading can be a challenging but rewarding journey. As a beginner, your path to success is built on a foundation of education, discipline, and managing risk. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can aim for success in trading. 1. Books the educational foundation. Learn the basics. Trading is not gambling. It's a skill that requires knowledge. Before you risk any money, you need to understand the playing field. Learn market terminology. Understand terms like stock, bond, commodity, Forex, leverage, margin, bid/ask spread, volatility, and liquidity. Choose your market. Start by focusing on one market that interests you, e.g., stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies. Each has unique characteristics and risks. Study analysis methods. Technical analysis. Learning to read charts, patterns like support and resistance, and indicators like moving averages to predict price movements based on historical data. Fundamental analysis. Evaluating an asset's intrinsic value by looking at economic and financial factors, e.g., company earnings, interest rates, or news events. Understand risk. Acknowledge that losses are a part of trading. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. 2. Develop a solid trading plan. A clear plan is your roadmap and shield against emotional decisions. Write it down and stick to it. Define your goals. Realistic. What is your target return? What is your maximum acceptable loss? Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Choose a trading style. This should suit your time commitment and personality. Day trading. Buying and selling assets within the same day. Requires constant attention. Swing trading. Holding positions for a few days to a few weeks to catch short-term market swings. Position trading. Long-term holding positions for weeks, months, or years based on fundamental trends. Establish entry and exit rules. Your plan must clearly define entry, when and why you will enter a trade, based on your analysis. Exit, take profit when you will close a profitable trade. Exit, stop loss when you will close a losing trade to limit your loss. This is critical. 3. Shield, master risk, and money management. This is arguably the single most important factor for long-term survival in trading. Use stop-loss orders. This is an automated order that sells your asset if it drops to a certain price, capping your loss. Never trade without one. Limit your risk per trade. A common rule is to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Example, if you have $5,000, you should only risk losing $50 to $100 on one trade. Risk-reward ratio. Aim for trades where your potential profit is significantly larger than your potential loss, e.g., aiming to make $3 for every $1 you risk. 4. Adult laptop computer practice before you play. Don't use real money until you are consistently profitable in a risk-free environment. Open a demo account. Most brokers offer a paper trading or demo account that uses real-time market data but with virtual money. Test your strategy. Use the demo account to practice your trading plan and test your entry/exit rules in a live market environment. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Learn how to quickly place orders, set stop losses, and navigate the charts on your chosen broker's platform. 5. Stay disciplined and control your emotions. Emotions are the downfall of many new traders. Stick to your plan. Do not let greed, fear, or panic make you abandon your predefined trading plan. If the plan says exit, then exit. Avoid revenge trading. Don't try to immediately recoup a loss by taking a new, unplanned trade with a larger size. Take a break instead. Maintain a trading journal. Write down every trade, entry, exit, reason for the trade, and your emotional state. Reviewing this journal is how you learn from your mistakes and successes. Accept losses. Losing trades are unavoidable. A successful trader is one who keeps their losses small and lets their winners run. To start your journey, a great first step is diving into the educational resources available online and through reputable brokers. Now check out this amazing thing that helped many people to achieve their goals by trading. I am showing you some reviews of this. If you want to know anything about it, then check the description for the first link.
What's up, everyone? I'm coming to you guys live just to let you know that FX Lifestyle is worth your investment. It's worth it. Since I've joined FX Lifestyle, I joined and purchased the Signals course. But to use the Signals to my advantage, I had already had a basic knowledge of Forex and just kind of wanted to see how I could compare someone else's signals to that of what I was marking up on my charts, to see if I could kind of align my daily technicals and such with those signals as well. It's been a great help for me. It's allowed me to grow more when it comes to my understanding of Forex and the markets and the signals as well. So I encourage you guys to definitely invest. Join FX Lifestyle. Will definitely take your trading to the next level if you are not lazy about it, if you put in the time and the commitment.
Hi, I'm from Mexico. I joined FX Lifestyle and he has helped me to make thousands every month. I'm planning to do more now because I'm joining the millionaire course and taking his signals.
Opened up an account, took FX Lifestyle signals. Profits, profits, profits. I will definitely be signing up for his course so I can learn while I earn. I'm the next multimillionaire coming out of FX Lifestyle's course.
Everyone, I'm a 25-year-old Forex trader, and I joined FX Lifestyle Forex Signals about 4 or 5 months ago, and I can tell you it's done wonders for me. My account has grown significantly by thousands of dollars, so if you're looking for consistent profits, I encourage you to join FX Lifestyle Forex Signals. One of the best there is out there, and I'm actually close to being FX Lifestyle's millionaire student.
Hello everyone, it's a great day. It's Sunday, markets are about to open in a few hours, so I'm making this video now about FX Millionaire Lifestyle Signals. They're amazing. Now, I've been through a lot of signal services, especially trying to learn Forex, but the few are the ones that you're going to make money with are the learn and earn ones. Now, guys can provide signals in the effing garbage, but what I like about Millionaire Lifestyle Signals is that, yes, he will admit there are losses, but this guy wins a lot. And most importantly, provides a course that's going to teach you how to trade, so you're not just following anyone's trades. You're also learning how to trade, so you can see why he's placing the trades that he's placing. Now, my account has done great. And unfortunately, I invested a little, I've done small lots because I've been screwed with other signal services in the past. But definitely, this last week, I did amazing. This week, I'm excited. Gonna do amazing. Of course, losses come, but you're gonna win more than you lose. And in Forex, anyone who guarantees you 100% wins is full of shit. Okay, now if you win more than you lose, and what he says is use proper risk management, you're going to make it. You're gonna make a lot of money, even by starting out with a small amount of money. So I definitely recommend getting the signal service, and most importantly, picking up the course, because not only do you want to learn, not only do you want to earn money, you want to learn how to trade as well. And there's nothing that's going to start you off better and at a more affordable price, not like other guys' $5,000 garbage program. It's so affordable, there's no excuse to not do it. Get the signals, start making money. If you're a little skeptical, start off with small lots, and then you're going to realize, oh damn, I can really make some money. So get to it, sign up right now. The market's going to open real soon, so start making money this week by tonight. So sign up for the course, the signal service, super affordable, and I'm telling you, I haven't tried them all, but this is probably one of the best signal services I've ever tried. So pick it up, you're gonna love it, and you're never gonna regret it. Have a good one, guys, and enjoy making that money. Bye.
The VIP market scanner is powerful. All you have to do is add it to your chart and start using it instantly. It's extremely simple to use even for beginners. It shows you where to buy, where to sell, as well as telling you where to take profit, stop loss, and entry price. It does all the work for you, finding you the most profitable trades. It also comes with many different features which you can customize and change and edit for yourself. Here are last week's profits. Here you can see $600 right from this buy trade, another $256 from this trade, and as you can see right here, another trade of $818 profit made. This is the power of the VIP market scanner. This indicator is truly revolutionary. It's very easy to use for anyone. Get started right now and start in under 1 minute.